Alright, let's talk. We're staring down the barrel of December 2025. You've got exactly 30 days left in this year. 30 days, that's it. For most people, this month is a write-off. They'll drift through the holidays, make a few half-hearted resolutions they'll forget by January 15th, and end the year right back where they started. But you are not most people. I need you to hear that. You are not going to be most people. I'm not here to sell you some motivational hype or a magic pill. Hype fades. What I'm giving you is a concrete, actionable process. A blueprint. If you commit, if you truly own the next 30 days, I promise you, the person who walks into 2026 will be a completely different person than the one listening to this right now. You won't just feel different. You will be different. This isn't about a new year, new you. This is about finishing this year as the you were always meant to be. This is your comeback story, and it starts today. So let's get into the process. The first step, and maybe the most important, is to cut the crap. Simple as that. Look at your life right now. You know what's holding you back. You know the bad habits, the toxic relationships, the negative self-talk, the junk food you eat when you're stressed, the snooze button you hit 5 times every morning, the people who drain your energy instead of fueling it. It's time to be brutally honest with yourself. This isn't about judgment. It's about clarity. What are the anchors weighing you down? Identify them. Write them down. And for the next 30 days, you are cutting them out. No negotiations, no just this one time. It's time for radical elimination. You can't build a skyscraper on a foundation of garbage. Let's clear the site. Step 2. When things are easy, go hard. This is a mindset shift. Most people cruise when life is good. They get a little momentum, things feel easy, so they take their foot off the gas. You're going to do the opposite. When you feel good, when you're energized, when you feel motivated, that's when you double down. That's when you push harder, got a burst of creative energy. Don't just write 1 page, write 3. Feeling strong at the gym? Add an extra set. Finished your work early? Start on tomorrow's tasks. Use those moments of strength to build an insane amount of momentum. These are the moments that create separation between you and the old version of you. Easy times aren't for coasting. They're for accelerating. Next up, step 3, set daily non-negotiables. These are not goals. These are promises you make to yourself. Small, simple actions that you will complete every single day, no matter what. No matter how you feel, no matter how busy you are. These are the bedrock of your discipline. Maybe it's 10 minutes of reading, or a 20-minute walk, or drinking a gallon of water, or writing down 3 things you're grateful for. They should be so simple that you have no excuse not to do them. The power isn't in the action itself. It's in the consistency. It's about proving to yourself, day after day, that you can be trusted to keep your word. Every day you complete your non-negotiables. You cast a vote for the person you want to become. Over 30 days, those votes add up to an identity. This leads us right into step 4, stop making excuses. You have an excuse for everything, don't you? We all do. I'm too tired. I don't have time, it's too cold. I'll start tomorrow. For the next 30 days, that part of your brain is fired. Excuses are just well-packaged lies we tell ourselves to stay in our comfort zone. But your dreams, your goals, they don't live in your comfort zone. So every time you hear that voice starting to whine, you shut it down. You don't argue with it. You just ignore it and do the thing anyway. Feel like skipping the workout? Put your shoes on. Don't feel like making that sales call? Pick up the phone. Action is the only antidote to excuses. You need to become a person who does things, especially when you don't feel like it. That is the definition of a winner. Step 5 is one of my favorites. Assassinate your time wasters. Be a detective in your own life for a day. Where does your time go? I mean, really go. That endless scrolling on social media that turns into an hour? Gone. That show you binge watch that you don't even really like? Gone. The mindless internet surfing? Assassinated. Your time is your most valuable, non-renewable asset. And you're giving it away for free to things that give you nothing back. For the next 30 days, you are reclaiming your time. Every minute you save from a time waster is a minute you can invest in your goal. Read a book. Learn a skill. Work on your side hustle. Call your family. Do something that actually moves the needle in your life. Be ruthless. Your future self will thank you. Now, step 6. Stack small wins. Big goals can be overwhelming. They can feel so far away that we get discouraged before we even start. The secret is to break it down. Forget the giant mountain. Just focus on the next step in front of you. What's the smallest possible action you can take right now that moves you forward? Do that, and then celebrate it. Seriously, pat yourself on the back. Did you go to the gym when you didn't want to? That's a win. Did you eat a healthy meal instead of ordering takeout? That's a win. Did you read for 10 minutes instead of scrolling? Win. Each small win builds confidence. It builds momentum. It's like a snowball rolling downhill. It starts small, but soon it becomes an unstoppable force. Stack those wins day after day, and in 30 days, you'll look back and be shocked at how far you've come. And that brings us to the final, most crucial step. Step 7. Start today, not tomorrow, not next Monday, not January 1st. Right now. The perfect moment doesn't exist. The stars will never perfectly align. There will always be a reason to wait. But waiting is a trap. It's the killer of dreams. The person you want to be in 30 days is built by the actions you take today. So we're going to take action together right this second. I have 2 challenges for you. First, grab a piece of paper, a notebook, or open the Notes app on your phone. I want you to write down one specific measurable goal you will achieve in the next 30 days. Not get in shape, right? I will go to the gym 3 times a week and lose 5 pounds. Not work on my business, right? I will make 10 cold calls every day. Be specific. What is the one thing that will make the biggest difference for you by the time 2026 rolls around? Write it down. Pause this video if you have to. Do it now. Got it? Good. Now for the second part. This is the accountability piece. I want you to take that goal and post it publicly. Put it on your Instagram story, on Twitter, on Facebook. And I want you to tag me or tag a friend, a family member, someone who you know will hold you to it. Announce your intention to the world. This does 2 things. It makes it real. It takes it out of your head and puts it into the universe. And it creates positive pressure. You've said you're going to do it, and now people are watching. Let that fuel you. So that's the plan. 7 steps, 30 days. It's simple, but it's not easy. It will require you to show up when you don't want to. It will require discipline, but everything you want is on the other side of that hard work. You have an opportunity right now, in this moment, to decide that the rest of your life is going to be different. Don't let it slip away. 30 days from now, you will thank the person you are today for making this decision. You won't just walk into 2026 with a list of resolutions. You'll walk in with results. You'll walk in with confidence. You'll walk in as a different person. You've got this. Now stop watching and go do it. Just do it. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you on the other side. Don't forget to subscribe for more no-nonsense guides to building a better life. Let's get to work.